Hello, this is a tutorial on how to make the quizzes and what you need to do. Quick overview, and we have a new site. It's called Japanese Go, and it's for people to learn Japanese from native speakers. And it's unlike other sites or learning material in that it's all unscripted, naturally spoken Japanese, and we have many videos that the students can watch. And like here's one. And the on the side we'd like to have a quiz that students can do. And we have other sites, like for example, here's our English site, and you can see we have the quiz here on the side that the students can watch the video and then take the quiz. Here's our Spanish site, and it's the same thing. They could watch a video and then take a quiz in Spanish. And we need the quizzes written in Japanese. And to do that, they have to be written in a JavaScript file, and usually we have 3 questions. And so here would be question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. And these questions are about the dessert, and so you can play the video.
こんにちは、ゆうきです。先日、母から新しいデザートの作り方を教えてもらいました。まず、バナナを切って、それからオリーブオイルをひいたフライパンにバナナを入れます。それからお砂糖をバナナにかけて、バナナがきつね色になるまで焼きます。そうすると、朝食にもデザートにもなるそうです。今度作ってみたいと思います。
Okay, so that was Yuki, and so you would make a sample quiz, right? And by the way, the Japanese is probably wrong because I wrote it, so that's why we need native Japanese speakers. But here we have, who showed her how to make the dessert, and it's her mother. So because this is the answer C, you would have to change this to 2. So this number has to match the right answer. Then here, what fruit was used, and the answer is banana, B, and that's number 1. So that one is going to be, you're going to change that to 1 like that. And then here we have, what do you add to the banana? And she said sato, sugar. So you could just go ahead and leave that as 0. But that's basically how you make the quiz. And you would write it right in between the parentheses. So how the coding works is you have to write exactly in between these parenthesis marks. So you can write in there. For the kanji, you can use basic kanji, right? Basic kanji you can use, but in general try to keep it all in hiragana or katakana. Now, one thing that's very important is when you start a new quiz, when you open it up, you're going to need a software, and one software you can use is Notepad++. And if you open up a file, and let's say you go to, and you say, okay, I'm going to do for this one, today's food number 18. So you're going to do this one. You're going to watch the video and then make the quiz. The first thing you have to do is you have to make sure you change it from ANSI. Everything has to be encoded to UTF-8 without bomb. You probably already know that from your job. So before you start writing, please make sure you encode the JavaScript file. And then actually you would just go ahead and save it as. So you would save this one as number 18. That's the same number. So here you go. We'd save that as 18. And then you would just go ahead and listen to the video or just read it, and then you would just write your questions. So you would go and you would have question number 1, and then possible answer A, B, and C, and then you would change the number to whatever the correct answer is. And then question number 2, question number 3. These are for beginner level students or low intermediate students, so you want to keep the questions pretty simple and short. And that's it. So if you can just send me one quiz, if you're able to do one quiz and you can do it correctly, then we are good to go. That's all I need to check. Thanks.